Hi everyone. So here I am in this lovely kitchen on this rainy but still beautiful Aspen day. Um, so it's been raining all day today, and I actually just made my video on the sunburn balm that I made, and it's about half hour later after I put it in. I feel so much better. I just had to wash it off so I can make another video. So now that I'm cooled off, I'm feeling like I need to warm up a bit. Um, so I am gonna make the lovely reishi cappuccino that I have been making for a few winters now, and it's so satisfying. Despite the background picture that you have on drinking coffee, this is not my kitchen. This is the kitchen that I'm staying at in Aspen uh, while I cook for a job, and I'm so blessed to have this beautiful kitchen to work in. Um, Super cute. And so instead of coffee, I want something. I'm craving something really warm and rich and creamy. So the reishi cappuccino. So I have some filtered water that I just put to boil. It's cooled down a little bit, so it's not super. It's not boiling, so it won't kill any of the superfoods that we put inside. So first, we are going to start with the filtered water, and we're gonna put in about eight. I'm sorry, we're gonna put in about 16 ounces, which is 2 cups. And it'll, if you have a Vitamix, it's the measurement is out to the number 2, so it's 2 cups. And for this one, we're gonna make a hemp seed milk, sort of. So, not sort of. That's what it'll be. So I'm using the Manitoba Harvest hemp seeds, and about we're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, so we have a nice creamy hemp milk base. And so for the coffee flavor, I'm gonna use Dandy Blend, and what this is a powder, and it looks so much like coffee, and it's a blend of chicory root and dandelion root, and it's super cleansing. It's great for the liver, and it's detoxing, and it has no caffeine and no acidity. So it's a wonderful way to, and it smells, looks, and tastes like coffee. So if you want to do your body a favor, try to get off coffee, you can. So we're doing 1 tablespoon of the Dandy Blend, and you can get this at your natural food store. They all carry this. So after our Dandy Blend, I'm gonna put in a 1/4 teaspoon of reishi powder. And that's all you need. A 1/4 teaspoon is so little because it's so nutrient packed. Um, it's amazing. It super nourishing. It's an immune booster, anti-inflammatory. Such a great product. And this one is by Medicinal Foods, and you can get it here in Boulder. Okay, so I'm gonna put in a 1/4 teaspoon of the reishi powder, and I'm gonna make this one a little chocolatey. So where is my cacao powder? I'm just gonna put in 1 teaspoon. Just because I'm going to have this with these raw cacao bites that I made. So, I mean, too much chocolate, too much good chocolate never hurt anybody. But I'm going to save it for the bites. I think that's enough for me for now. For some sweetness and for some extra zing, I'm going to put in some mesquite powder, and it's kind of caramelly flavor, and it's great. It's high in calcium, high in zinc. It has lysine or lysine. It's iron. I mean, mesquite is great, especially for vegans. So I'm going to add some mineral-rich mesquite powder. I'm going to put in a little under a tablespoon. I'm also going to put in a tablespoon of maca powder, and this one is the red maca root. Maca is great for nourishing the female reproductive system. It's very nourishing. So we're going to put in a little less than 1 tablespoon. Next, for some sweetness, I ran out of my favorite Highland honey. The one that I had was the wildflower, the one with the goji berries and just the immune booster flavor, and it was amazing. So I ran out of that, so I went to Whole Foods and picked up some raw honey. I'm just going to put in a teaspoon because we already put some sweetness in from the mesquite powder. The mesquite powder is a little caramelly, so it's nice and sweet. Yum. I love raw honey. Now, we would like some oils to make it a little creamy. So we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, extra virgin, if possible. We don't want any refined. We don't want, these are superfoods. We want to keep it as, as least processed as possible. Lastly, just for a little bit of nice flavor, I'm going to add some cinnamon. If I can find it. Okay, great. I found it. So we're just going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of the cinnamon and my most favorite spice yet. I'm going to put in some cardamom. Cardamom always gives any chocolate or any dessert, I mean pretty much anything, some delicious hidden secret layer in there. So now that we have everything in there, we are going to blend this in the Vitamix. Start on very low, and then work your way up. And it's just going to get so nice and frothy, and it's like a cappuccino. It's amazing. And now, ooh. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So we have got here our delicious, frothy, I don't know if you can see it without me spilling it, but it's this delicious, creamy, frothy cappuccino, and it's caffeine free, acidic free, and it's super nourishing, immune boosting with the reishi and the coconut oil and the raw cacao, cinnamon, great for the brain, cardamom also. Um, our hemp seeds gives us our protein and creaminess in here. Uh, it's just an amazing, amazing tonic for rainy days, for snowy days, anytime you want something warm and nourishing. So, cheers, guys. Enjoy, and I will see you soon.